I'm so tired of crying, but I'm out on the road again.
Yeah, you've got a neighbour.
Well, I'm so tired of crying, but I'm out on the road again. I ain't got nobody just to call my special friend. You know, the first time I traveled out in the rain and snow.
So the idea is to, have a main.
You know, the first time I traveled out in the rain and snow, in the rain and snow. Oh, I didn't have no payroll, not even no place to go. My dear mother left me when I was quite young. She said, Lord, have mercy on my wicked one.
Grimace for the camera. Once more to the beach.
There must be some kind of way out of here. Glad a joker to the thief. There's too much confusion. I can't get no relief. Businessmen, they drink my wine. Cloud man, dig my herb. No one of them along the line.
No, the blue isn't the right colour. Hey, John.
Baby, don't turn out the light. I wanna see you look at me. Whisper only truth tonight, not just promises and empty fantasies. I don't need a
Go for it. Go in the front door and climb through.
I'll go straight over there, yeah? Jared.
We have the Victorian hospital team. We have one of them.
We'll also be
Okay,
good. The other thing that we did last year,
this is more to go.
somewhat of a wheel.
That's more the go behind you.
That's right. Relaxed.
Roger. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're on the full series. Dangerous.
Hello.
Say something.
On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again.
On the road again.
So, what bike riders are you? You're the second coming up?
Second one's out. And the C group.
C group?
Yeah, they're above Bandito's, a dream team. We're asleep.
Dreaming of what could possibly be.
Hi, Kerith.
Hi, Karen. Bus driver extraordinaire.
Willie Cozzion, who's done a big breakaway.
He's on the brag.
Nice scenery.
Big attack.
That's the Melly scrub.
See, blue and white top.
Oh well.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
See about 20 minutes, is that it?
Yeah.
Good. Our precious called me dumb. Earthy comments.
This is the honeymoon phase before we actually ride.
For the
This is
very
when
first ride.
They're very clean.
So
they
yes,
don't
but we don't smell. There's no sweat. We're very calm.
Yeah.
Deodorants
It's all
are
about to
still
go
working.
downhill from here.
Yeah, and we don't feel sticky from all the combination of gels and syrups and other sundry supplements that we have to imbibe in order to sustain our pathetic little levels of energy.
Now, do you need a banana before you hop on your bike?
I've already had one, thank you.
Now,
Will
one
ruin
o'clock.
my minty breath freshener.
Nice to know your breath is fresh and we're behind you.
Exactly, well, that means you're planning on staying in the front, isn't it?
Yes, that's good, mate. Thank you.
So that breath is just sort of leaching back towards us.
Yes, it's better than my hyena carrion standard breath.
Well, do you realise we had lunch? We had breakfast 5 hours ago.
Oh, I don't say that, you'll make me feel hungry.
Well, that's why I'm trying to make sure you've got plenty in your body.
Yeah, well, I've had a banana, I had some fruitcake earlier on. I really did not feel hungry. I probably will after I've done the riding.
Yeah, okay,
I reckon there's enough gas in the tank for an hour on the road.
All right, well,
Don't go yet.
Mildura, I've waited for ages and I'm finally getting to go for a ride.
You haven't forgotten anything. You've got shoes,
We're assuming that this is our mob coming.
water bottle.
I reckon it is. Look, they're in the time trial posse.
Oh, I don't know if it is.
No?
Oh, yes, it is.
yes, I think
That's
Yeah.
Kiwi on the outside.
Yeah,
I
the
recognise
waving.
that. Yeah. That's them. Beautiful timing. Hey boys!
Have fun!
Hello.
Hello, you meant to be back here, guys.
Two came back. Where's the other one?
Whatever you say, no, this is Karen, the bus driver extraordinaire. You'll note
Hands on the wheel.
following slowly along the bus in front. In there we have a certain number of banditos driven by Dennis, ably assisted by Judith. And back recording, guys.
Hey, hello, Karen.
Focusing on the ceiling.
I might have been recording.
In summary, we had a disjointed first hour. We had a little lack of coordination. We were
Traffic lights, roundabouts.
waiting for
Not mentioning any names, Cozzy.
Cozzy and Stewart to catch up to Alistair and myself. But waited in the shade. Big Lizzie, Red Cliffs. And then the boys caught up, and then we got caught in a big group.
We've regrouped
And what
now.
do you think
And
about
by the
that
way,
guy?
they waited all of 2 minutes.
We've patched up things and we're okay now.
Oh, good on.
Because he had a little moment out the front.
For 45 minutes.
Little 45, wasn't it?
Okay, now you're back on again, guys.
Try and liven it up a bit now.
I'm trying to liven it up a
Trevor got a
bit.
nervous attack because he got told off by Alan there.
We've had our first disciplinary hearing of the group.
And Cossy's been suitably
took it well.
reprimanded.
Because he has been chastised.
He's been mentored
He's been mentored.
in a significant way.
He's his ass busted.
So we're all together now as a unit, as a team.
Oh, okay.
We're going to lift that average speed about 5 k's higher than it was in the first hour.
Ooh,
Yeah,
well,
easy.
the average speed for the Kiwi team was 35 and a half.
I would have said more like 37 myself.
Oh, I don't want to make it too
We
high.
will meet
Ours
and
was
exceed
30.
it by less than 10 kilometres.
Very
25
high
and a half.
at the time they were about 39.
Ours was 30, we'll lift it to
39, or
33.
what are they sitting on now? Now, there was a team which is out there at the moment.
Yeah.
That is sitting on 30 to 32.
No, that's all right.
That's fine.
That's
So right now we're going up, we're going down here.
It's a long, long way to
It's
do
a long way. All right, over and out.
Go, Cozzy, go!
Yep, you're all right.
Go, my man! Get that sexy ass on there, son.
Come on, Cozzy. Come on, Cozzy.
We are machines. Have a good ride, Cozzy! Alright,
How's that? Okay.
that was good. Good ride.
Well done.
Good ride. We're sitting sort of 36.
Yep, yeah, look
Good.
comfy.
You look easy.
They should be riding by the time we get in.
Yeah, you had a few groups come with you and then...
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, and I'll be on. You've done one. Okay, guys, do you want to tell us what happened, Mike?
Had a puncture.
Yeah, punch.
First one for a long, long time. I'd only been out on the road about a minute. It's terrible, isn't it?
Actually, we all
Now I
said
get a
that
bus.
what you've done is just so that you wouldn't have to get out there and work.
No, I'm going out there
You're
now to
going out
make
there
up
by
for it.
bus boat. So what we're going to do now with Mike is we're going to
Not picking up for another hour later.
Do I get to miss the whole ride?
Jackie, what we're doing now is Kiwi is puncture. He's putting the wheel back on the bike. We are screaming up with Karen driving in hot pursuit of the other bus, and then we'll go ahead about 2 or 3 k's and drop him off.
What you could do is that make
Yeah, that looks like... Got the long sleeve, yeah.
Wait.
Get the tag.
I'll get the tag, you guys go. Hey.
Okay, that lead. 4:25. Well done. We're getting this off. Okay. Well done.
good.
How did you enjoy your bike ride?
It's getting harder. 2 down, I think, what, 4 to go.
No, 2 go.
Only 2 to go.
I think so.
I hope so.
Might be 3.
How you doing, guys? Yeah, good.
Oh, that heat hasn't gone away. Don't forget that. That's up
No.
in your... What about the hamster?
Oh, I missed you. Okay, what's up? Tell me if you enjoyed your bike ride.
This is as good as it gets.
Not too hot?
Nah. Put a little water bottle down my back.
The bucket. Hold the bike, I'll give you the bucket.
At least they know they're not.
Little one? Yep.
It's not round the corner, is it?
Hey, we're having a great time. Just working out how far we're going to go. 20.
Bye.
Yep.
In the pocket. No, for the second ride. It's more for the second and third rides. Read it.
You're having a lovely ride. I quite envy you out here now.
You might have some volunteers to give up their spot, I reckon, Karen.
I reckon there probably will be by this time.
Alright, here we go. It's
There
focus
you go,
home.
break away.
Okay.
Go.
Go! Yoo-hoo!
Go, guys! Go!
Okay, we're riding along. The guys are doing beautifully. We've got about 10 minutes before we blast off to go past them.
Johnny's just ruined it now. They're all in perfect sync. Mavis and Kiwi's doing sync.
Yes, we're behind
Yeah, behind you. Does someone want to...
Boys here, looking very strong. Legs all in synchronization. All running the same gear. Notice the guy at the back is pushing the least amount of wind out of the way. So he is occasionally have to take the pressure off the pedals. And yeah, they're looking good. See, Mavis has got that amazing, aggressive looking pedaling style of his. Strikes terror into all of our hearts. These guys are amazing.
Thank you.
Yes, Selma, we got you on line.
We're passing through some pretty flat country. We just left Warrignaville, the centre for the sheep and lamb and wheat. Wave to the camera, guys. Hello. There goes Jonathan. Hi, guys. There goes Douglas.
I might take this from a different view this time.
At the starting of the week at Summit cowpoke went riding out one dark and windy day. Up on a ridge he rested as he went along his way, when all at once a mighty herd of red-eyed cows he saw plowing through the cloudy sky and up a cloudy draw.
Their brands were still on fire and their hooves were made of steel. The horns were black and shiny and their hot breath he could feel. A bolt of fear went through him as they thundered through the skies. He saw the riders coming hard and he heard their mournful cry.
Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-yo.
Ghost riders in the sky.
Passed on by him, he heard one call his name. If you want to save your soul from hell, or riding on our range.
Hi everyone.
Cowboy, change your ways today, or with us
Almost done, almost finished for the
catch the devil's
20 k's to go for Saturday night, and we've got Wazza and Touchy and Hamster out on the road, and the rest in here, and
except for Stu.
Except for Stu, who's Tim and Dennis company, and we've got one more session out there.
Excellent.
Go hard or sit in the bus.
Oh, I'm having a wonderful time just driving along.
We're on with Michael Painter and Alistair Murray surging up the highway, bringing in the closing kilometres, bringing it home, actually doing slightly more than their share because it's their 6th turn, as everybody else will have done 5 with the exception of Mavis.
This is their 5th turn.
Huh.
This has been everybody's 5th turn that's out there.
Right.
Sorry.
Slight technical problem there. We'll resume normal transmission in a moment. Anyway, we're just commenting on the fact that the Bandito vest, quick change of subject, the Bandito vest that Al's wearing is not particularly reflective. We were pondering this, it's a perforated sports fabric, highly ventilated, but the light obviously passes straight through and does not bounce back. So take note, all of those of us who have a mind to go riding in the night time, leave your Bandito vest at home and wear something else. We're about, 20 k's, 18 k's out of Hamilton?
Yes, that'll be about right.
The road surface is not bad, reasonably coarse aggregate, but seen a lot worse. The warnings we had of loose metal on the roadside have come to nothing. They are there, but we don't have to ride in them. Of course, Mavis, Jonathan, Kiwi have gone ahead. Goodness knows how far they are. Goodness knows how John is hanging on, because we all know what Mavis and Kiwi are like. They'll be like a couple of boys let out of school getting up to mischief.
But he had his choice.
John, yes, he's a consenting adult. He did have the option, and he's chosen the more daring of the two. Never mind, I'm sure he's up to the task. He's a very strong rider.
Thank you very much, Hamster, for those words.
Well, I woke up Sunday morning with no way to hold my head. That didn't hurt.
Okay, Kurt, can you tell us what day it is and everything?
Okay, today is Sunday. It's the last day of Moyne. We have left Hamilton where we stayed at the beautiful Bandicoot Hotel. Had a good night's sleep, well some of us did.
Some of us.
And we are now driving they're riding into Port Fairy. We're going to have lunch at the Port Fairy Yacht Club with both teams, both the Bayside and the Yarrabah Special School teams.
He asked me if I'd seen a road with so much dust and sand, and I said, listen, I've traveled every road in this here land. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. Across the deserts bare, man. I breathed the mountain air, man. Of travel I've had my share, man. I've been everywhere. I've been to Reno, Chicago, Fargo, Minnesota, Buffalo, Toronto, Winslow, Sarasota, Wichita, Tulsa, Ottawa, Oklahoma, Tampa, Panama, Mattawa, La Paloma, Bangor, Baltimore, Salvador, Amarillo, Tocopilla, Barranquilla, and Padilla. I'm a killer. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. Across the deserts bare, man. I breathe the mountain air, man. Of travel I've had my share, man. I've been everywhere. To Boston, Charleston, Dayton, Louisiana, Washington, Houston, Kingston.
Well, now take it from me, mama, please don't you cry no more. Take a hit. This sun one morning